Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Lycra reviews. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us guys and let's get started. So this is the homepage of the site and you can see it is an online shopping store which is based in United States that deals with multiple products including cordless tools, electrician's tools, hand tools and power tools. Apart from that, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now talking about the payment information of the site guys, let's check out the payment info section. And at the bottom of the web page, you can see the modes of payment which are available on the site are PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, MX and many more. So let's check out the particular payment section and here you need to visit the payment method. So here they have mentioned that PayPal is the main payment option and apart from that they accept all Visa cards, MasterCards and more other cards. So this is the payment information you can read for your knowledge and convenience. And now let's take a look at the shipping policy of this site guys. Here is the shipping policy. And talking about the delivery information, they have mentioned that it usually takes around 10 to 22 business days to receive your product, and a rest you can read for your knowledge guys. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, the site is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, which is a good sign that defines its legitimacy. But talking about the domain information of the site, the domain name was created on 14th of December 2020. So guys, this site is just more than 2 months old and we can't trust on this website easily because we have found that this site is registered for 1 year only. So the domain age factor is not enough to define its legitimacy. Now let's check out the About Us page to know more about this website. So here is the About Us page. They have mentioned the information related to business establishment year, business offering, but guys, they have not provided the accurate information and we can say they have provided fake information as we have found the exact domain creation date of this website and they have mentioned that it's founding in 2016. So here is a contradiction. And let's talk about the contact details of this website. So for contact details, you need to visit the contact us page. You need to visit the menu option button for that guys. And in the contact us section, in the contact us section guys, they have mentioned the email address and official address and a query form as well, but the detail seems to be fake, so we can't trust on this website easily. Now talking about social media presence, you can see the site has no social media presence at all, which is a negative sign. And guys, apart from that, the site is not secure, not secured for the security purpose and access purpose. Apart from that, let's talk about the return policy of this website. For that, you need to visit the refund and return policy section and they have mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. Now talking about Lycra reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet guys and nor on the official website, which is one of the biggest drawbacks, and we know that customer reviews plays a crucial role while defining a website's legitimacy, but in this case or in this website context we are not able to find a single review. So this is a negative sign. It defines that the site is not popular online and this site has too low trust score, or you can say too traffic as well. Apart from that, the trust index score of the site is 1%, which is really very bad. So guys, in the final conclusion, the website appears to be scam. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this website, and if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for giving your precious time guys. Have a good day.